How to add 15 to 20 new cleaning clients each month using Google for free. The key to that is search engine optimization. What that is all about is getting your website to be trusted by Google as the most relevant website in the world related to your cleaning company's service and your city. Now, a lot of the times your city is already known by Google when you're in that area, but you're trying to get your website to be known as the best company, in this case, the best website related to the keywords of carpet cleaning Atlanta. So why is that important? Well, if you were needing to go to a restaurant with friends and you had no idea where to go, you would go to Google and you would search restaurant in your city or just restaurant. Now, your cleaning clients are doing the same thing, and they might even be doing the same thing if they already know who you are, especially if you haven't been mailing them postcards and emails and texts regularly. They really don't know who you are. But even if they do know who you are, they still may go through the same process. So this is why it's important. And the other big thing is for new prospects who have no idea who to call, they're really just relying solely on Google and the reputation of Google within the reviews, within the organic search over here. So how many searches happen per month in various cities? Google's got this thing called a keyword planner tool where you can go in, it's within your webmaster tools. You can actually go in and type in your city and the cities around you and click get started. And you'll actually be able to go in and see various stats of the cities. Now, we were just looking at Atlanta, 1,600 average searches per month. Denver, which is near where I'm at, 1,600 per month. Now, smaller city like Knoxville, 390. Phoenix, 3,600 per month. And this is just per month searches specifically for carpet cleaning. So what does that mean for the actual search and how that happens? Well, approximately, these are rough estimates, so we can assume about 40% of the clicks are going to go to the 3 top maps area located right up here. And then about the other 40 to 45% are going to the organic search, which on the top 10, which most of them are going probably the top 1, 2, or 3. A lot of speculations is it's varied evenly between the top 3. So 2 may not be more important than 1, but who knows? That's yet to be seen or known for sure. But the top 10 is super important, even more important than the top 3 in the map. So really, this is part of the organic ranking that you can get for free. Now, there are ways we can get ranked on Google through Google Ads and through Google Guaranteed, which are, we've got modules and packages that talk about that type of thing. But here we're talking about getting ranked for free. So what happens here? Why are they ranking these? Well, these sites are trusted quite a bit by Google. So what we're going to do, kind of take a quick look. This is a site that, as far as I know, is not a franchise. This is actually a franchise site. And on the franchise site, which is ranking number 2, you've got some of the same components. You've got keywords that are set on the website in title tags. You've got keywords that are set in headlines. You've got keywords that are set in the menu. You've got reviews. You've got mentions of the city throughout the text. You've got mentions of the service and the carpet cleaning, in this case, throughout the text. And you've got variations, not just the word carpet cleaning everywhere, but what carpet cleaning is about. Because it's also about stains. It's also about pet odors and things like that. So all of these are here as well. You also have naturally a pretty site, which, by the way, a pretty site in and of itself does not mean you're going to rank on Google. In fact, sometimes that can even hinder your ranking on Google on some occasions. But you do have uniquely written content. You've got good content. You've got good text. You've got good pictures. Most of the pictures are unique pictures and not clip art pictures, by the way. So some of these things are the things that are going on your site. Some of that stuff is called on-page site ranking factors and on-page optimization. But furthermore, even outside of just the stuff on your site, you've also got, in this case, the same type of thing. You've got the headlines, you've got the title tag, you've got copy, you've got a good clean site, unique text, you've got links that are related to carpet cleaning, but you've also got links to other reputable sites that are usually related to carpet or cleaning or your city. You're linking out to those some, but even more importantly, you've got other reputable sites that are related to carpet or cleaning or your city. that are linking to your site. So that sometimes is the harder part about SEO, and not just some of those sites, but also you've got social signals like Facebook mentions and Facebook likes, not just on your page, but other people linking and talking about you on Facebook and linking to your site from Facebook, and Twitter and YouTube and Instagram and all of those different platforms. You've got all of that stuff going on. So that's kind of the big picture about what SEO is really all about in just a really quick nutshell. It's about establishing that reputation. Some of it too is reviews. Some of it too is making sure that your site has the SSL certificate and that it's secure. All of these things are very well worth showing up at the top of Google, especially when you can get hundreds of searches potentially for absolutely free coming to your website. Coming up, we're going to be doing some more training videos on what to do to get your website ranking on Google. So be looking for those coming up really, really soon. We're going to really get knee deep, waist deep into the subject of search engine optimization.